Hey guys, yikes. Mr. Graves here. I decided to go ahead and do the chapter 3 quiz video before I went ahead and actually finished the grades. Specifically, this video is for the Algebra 1 8th grade class. So, I'm just going to do all these problems. It shouldn't be too long a video, definitely under 10 minutes. So number 1, we have x plus 9 is equal to 7. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 9 on both sides. 7 minus 9 is negative 2. And we're done with that. Number 2, I have y minus 5 equals negative 11. Again, we're going to do the opposite of adding 5 on both sides. Negative 11 plus 5 is negative 6. I'm done with that. Move on to number 3. I have negative 7b is equal to negative 56. So I'm going to divide both sides. Oops. There we go. Divide both sides by negative 7. That means b is going to equal a positive 8. Then number 4, I have parentheses. I did parentheses because it might help us better. Z over 4 is equal to 6. So I need to undo that 4. So I'm going to multiply by 4 to cancel it. But what I do to one side, I do to the other side. So Z is going to equal 24. Number 5, I have parentheses, negative 4 over 3. T is equal to negative 12. I knew this was one that was going to give you guys a little bit of trouble. Oops. So the first thing we're going to do is going to multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of it. So that means negative 4t is equal to negative 36. And now I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by negative 4. So t equals 9. Just like that, I'm done. Okay, then number 6. We have 9w minus 4 is equal to 14. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. And 14 plus 4 is 18. Going to divide both sides by 9. That is equal to 2. And number 7, I have 23 is equal to 1 minus d. Now I taught you guys, anytime you have a letter by itself, to write a 1 in front of it, and it'll make your life go much easier. I'm going to subtract 1 on both sides. So it means 22 is equal to negative 1d. And I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by negative 1. So negative 22 is equal to d. And if you want to know why that's the answer, I'm going to plug in 1 minus parentheses negative 22. 2 negatives make a positive, so this becomes 23 is equal to 1 plus 22. So yes, 23 is equal to 23, and I am checked out. That's the answer. So that's when I knew that would give you guys some trouble. So I was throwing something there just to be a little bit mean. Number 8, I have 66 is equal to 4m plus 7m. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to combine those two, 4m plus 7m, to give me 11m. So 66 is equal to 11m. I'm going to divide both sides by 11. So 6 is equal to m. Number 9, I have negative 104 is equal to negative 5p minus 3p. So I'm going to combine like terms here. Negative 5p minus 3p is negative 8p. Oops. So that means negative 104 is equal to negative 8p. So I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by negative 8. So I do my math over here. 1 minus 8, 24. So that's 3. Yep. So P is equal to 13. That's positive because two negatives make a positive 13. For number 10, that's the one I knew because you guys could say, what is it? I get a decimal? Yeah. 10 is 2v plus 5v is equal to 13. So that means I'm going to go ahead and add like terms of 2v and 5v. So 2v plus 5v is equal to 7v. I'm sorry, that's my fault there. I say the right number, but I write down the wrong number. So that means 7v is equal to 13. And now I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 7. So v equals 13 over 7, which is the same as 1 6/7. Some people left this as their answer. That's cool. Not a problem. Well, if you felt very confident, you could have divided and you would get 8/57. I just had you guys round it up to the nearest tens place, so I would have got 1 point. Oops. Sorry, I circled the wrong ones. There we go. I said this right here. That's the one. So that's 1.9 because that rounds up to 1.9. So if you did 1.9 or if you did 1 6/7, I took either one of those as the answer. Like if you rounded even to 2, I would have taken that as the answer too. It was just approximations. And on number 11, I have 2a minus 6 parentheses a minus 4 is equal to negative 4. So I'm going to start by distributing. Negative 6 times a is negative 6a. I'm going to do negative 6 times negative 4 to get a positive 24. So now I rewrite this problem out. There's going to be a 2a minus 6a plus 24 is equal to negative 4. I can go ahead and combine like terms already. 2a minus 6, which is a negative 4a. So now we have negative 4a plus 24 is equal to negative 4. I'm going to subtract 24 on both sides. So negative 4a is equal to negative 28. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4. So a equals to 7. So that's how I do that one. And then the last one, number 12, was a word problem that Dan purchases DVDs from a website. Each DVD costs $11. So I know the X is going to represent the DVDs that we're trying to find. And the shipping and handling fees cost him $6.95. And total, he charged a total of $50.95. How many DVDs, I'm trying to find the DVDs, did he buy? So I'm going to go ahead, subtract 6.95 on both sides. like this song. So I do my math, that becomes a 44. Divide both sides by 11. X equals 4. So that was, so yes, so that was the quiz, guys. I think most of you guys probably did well on it, honestly. But I will do the grades and I'll have everything posted by Saturday morning by 8 a.m. Okay. And I wish you guys a great weekend, and remember, love God, math, and each other. And I'll talk to you guys later.